This is the Marx Happy Time electric train that was sold only by Sears and Roebuck Company back in the 50s, 1950s. And it came with the engine, which is lit, has a tender that does not whistle, and then has these cars along with it too. And that made it up. They had a transformer and track too also. But this is the Happy Time train. It's fun playing with it. I enjoyed getting it all up to peak. Has a nice lit front with the numbers on it. I'll also go in reverse. The tender's made out of cast iron. It's hard. I thought there was a whistle in it for a while. This is the Marx Happy Time train. All there with the complete set of cars, caboose to go with it.